So this was the titanium wash at Mr. Car Wash. It cost $26, which is pretty pricey. They ask you for a tip on the screen, which I honestly declined. I don't mind giving a tip, but I don't like tips on screen, and for that price. I'm not excited about this wash, to be honest. First of all, the car is not super dry. And yes, I could do something against that and just dry it myself if I had a microfiber towel. Look at that. It's all wet. But I don't have a microfiber towel, and they don't have one either. They don't even give you a dash wipe. Also, they don't have vacuums, and you still pay $26. I mean, come on. That's bad service. There's car washes there for the same price or less, where you get a dash wipe, you get a microfiber towel, and even someone with service, they dry the car off for you. So no, I'll have to say this is was not the best experience. Also, the people that worked there, they were nice, but not really overly nice. They were kind of like, you know, you felt like a number. They didn't really care for you. They didn't smile and wave at you. None of that, but they wanted a tip. So all right, Mr. Car Wash, I'm in Park City here, so the Olympics will be back here. I hope you step up your game for the Olympics and do some improvements. All right, guys, have a good day.